Hello friends, hope you all are fine and great. So this is day 10 where I'm trying to speaking in English and trying to speaking practice because it's my thinking if I'm improving my English speaking, so it's very important to doing practice in every day. I know I'm not uploading in a regular way, but yes, how I'm recording, how I'm making video and then I'm sharing with you. I know here I'm doing so many mistakes, but let's see after end of the video I will try to rectify my all mistake because I know if I'm making mistake and then it's important to improving my communication skill. Yes, I know mistake it's not a mistake. Mistake is it's a giving to chance to improving yourself and myself. Here is a 10 o'clock right now and I did everything. What I did read books, I learned 5 new vocabulary word of the day and then now I'm doing practice of English speaking. So this is my target of the day where and how I'm improving. And that's the reason I'm recording video. I know everybody feel nervous, but yeah, it's normal. But if you are think about this is normal in everywhere, every time, and this is not a normal. If you are improving and if I'm improving, if I like here I'm fumble while speaking, but if I'm speaking like if I will after due to after 3 to 5 months same I repeat this mistake, then that is not a success, that is not a like enhancement, this that is not a improvement. So improvement, what improvement is that if I'm speaking in here then I will become a fluencer in one day, so that is the improvement. I want to become a fluencer but I don't know how, but I know only one thing: practice, consistency. But yes, sometime I'm not making consistency in my work, so let's see what will happen, but I'm trying. So trying is a better thing to improving yourself. So I'm not motivate to you, I'm not inspire you, you just it's just a reality. And yeah, I'm belong from UP. I didn't describe myself, didn't like introduce myself in starting of the video. I'm from UP, it's my native place, but right now I'm living in Punjab. Due to some circumstances I leave that city, I don't know why. So I have been living in here since 20 to 20 years approximately. So due to some situation and circumstances, I don't know what be. So come to the point. You are improving your communication skill, right? And then me also. So how I'm improving my communication skill, how you are improving your communication skill. So here is important only one thing: if you are trying to speaking, if you are try to like if you want to improving your skill in communication skill, so it's very important to speak something. If you speak something, I know in beginner of the point it's very difficult to describe any sentence in English, but you know if you try, if you are trying, if you are practice from beginner level, then obviously you should become a fluencer. Like I know right now I'm not fluencer, but yes, I believe on myself. I have a little bit of fluency. Let's see what will happen in future, but how I'm trying and I'm telling you this thing to you. So I trust on myself, I believe on myself. I know in one day I'm efficient to speaking in everywhere. But right now I'm not, because I'm enhancing my skill. That's why I'm making video, and video is the best way to improving communication skill, also English. So if you are beginner, then you should try to speak more word in English. So this is the key of the success. So even it's not in here, it's not in English, even in everywhere, if you want to make professional, like if you want to make professional in any line, in any field, then that side is very necessary to doing practice. That is the enough for the day. So if you are beginner, if you are intermediate, so my channel is too useful. House kind of video I make in here. If I uploading if I will upload a blog, then you should comment me, because I want positive comment, so that I will able to making another video in this kind of form. So this is enough of the day. Thanks for watching this video. I know I'm doing so many mistakes, so let it be. So bye, meet in next video.